Hi everyone, good morning. This is Sudhir from Fluent Spoken Classes. First of all, I want to say you that why is important English or life, because many people is saying that is का करब अंग्रेजी बोल. I am saying to you that English is very important for our life, because many people is when is a purpose कि I want to speak English, but when he comes spoken classes, so only for 2 months and 3 months he's join this coaching. After that he's leave this coaching. Why is leave? Why do we leave? Why do you leave? Because he hasn't knowledge. That is why he leaves coaching. So I will tell you कि why is important English our life. So one day I had gone in Varanasi. After that I met to Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani said to me that why have you come here? So I said to Mukesh Ambani, because I need English. That is why I have come here. So Mukesh Ambani is saying to you, which type English do you need? So I said to Mukesh Ambani, because English is international language. You are saying that, but I think English is international language. But one day English is Indian language. I have come proved that Indian can speak English definitely. So by means of my teachers, by means of fluent spoken classes, Indian can speak fluent English. So after that Mukesh Ambani is saying that ki, how can you say that your teacher is great? But that is why I am saying to you, because my teacher has a lot of knowledge. Do you know about many people is without his reading be thought? You know? I think you don't know, because via ko via. I think many people hasn't knowledge. That is why he reads via ko via. So after that Mukesh Ambani is saying to me, yes, you are right, many people hasn't knowledge, but this Varanasi people's a lot of knowledge. Yes, I said to Mukesh Ambani, yes, you are saying right, Varanasi people has a lot of knowledge, but he hasn't attitude, because he is only for looking the what I am looking. But in Bhadohi peoples has a lot of attitude. Is whoever speaks English, so he has a lot of attitude. So you know apple pie order. I think you don't know what is since when do Bhadohi peoples begun to speak English? So I am saying to you, since when since when forest had come to India, then Bhadohi began to speak English. First of all, after that I have come at home. I have come at home. After that one day I went in school. after that I met two student. Name is Rajmani Tiwari and Shubham Sharma. So I don't keep on interest in English. So after that I met both student named Shubham Sharma and Rajmani Tiwari. Rajmani Tiwari used to join fluent spoken classes, but Shubham Sharma has joined fluent spoken classes because when Shubham Sharma was speaking English, but Rajmani Tiwari wasn't speaking English. But why? Because only Rajmani Tiwari joined this coaching, but he haven't knowledge. That is why he wasn't speaking English. So first of all, I am saying to you that what is power of spoken. Just Rajmani speaks good English. You can check anything. He know apple pie order about English. It is challenge of fluent spoken. One day, a lot of student this Orai branch speaks good English without hesitation, because this time is a child. So suppose that child, that is why he isn't they aren't speak English. Okay, doesn't matter. It is power of spoken class, it is power of English. Okay, doesn't matter. Please my channel subscribe and like, please comment what is meaning of it can't do without.